What's up guys, Chris Gonzalez here. I want to show you how to set up your phone system, and it's a platform that I absolutely love, and everything that I talk about, I've put a link in the description box. Make sure that you subscribe, turn your notifications on so that you can be next to get the latest and greatest information that I have for you. So I'm simply going to show you right here. If you go into the description section of any one of my videos, so today we're talking about our phone system, and this is by far the greatest phone system I've come across. I've tried RingCentral, I've tried Google Voice, I've tried my cell phone, and until I found JustCall, which I'm gonna actually click into right now so you can see what that looks like. Let me just copy that and put that into a new browser. This is the platform, and I'm actually gonna sign up right now to just show you how easy it is. So I'm gonna click on the sign up, and I'm doing all this stuff live, creating an additional account just to show you how easy it really is. So I'm gonna put my name is Chris Gonzalez, and the domain and the email that I set up, I believe, was Chris at my first website.net. Now let me just confirm that, because I actually just set this up, right? So let's see. Chris at myfirstwebsite.info, not .net, excuse me. So .info, and I'm gonna put in my phone number, right? Here's my number. It's gonna be blurred out. Sensitive information will be blurred. And I'm gonna choose a password. I'll pick something that I will remember. Okay, and so now I'm going to create my account. So as you can see, I'm able to log in, and I'm simply just going to, I have to retrieve actually that code from my previous email. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up that email, grab that code, and log in. So step one, when you log into your dashboard, you wanna come over to the phone number section, right? And you're going to now create your first phone number. So you're just gonna hit the plus. As you can see, I had a lot of phone numbers in there. And the beauty of this, right, you could designate it based on the city, the phone number, the state, the area code, whatever you prefer, you could use. But the beauty of being able to create your own phone numbers is maybe you want to have a separate phone numbers for your text messages that go out, your outbound phone calls. Maybe you want one for billing. Maybe you want one for customer service. Maybe you want one for collections. Maybe you want one for different ad campaigns, right? So the beauty of being able to create your own phone number is amazing, right? Now, once you find that phone number, you'll select it. I'm not going to select one because I don't need any more phone numbers, but let me show you the beauty of how you can assign this, right? Maybe you have a rep that only handles this. Maybe you have one that handles that. You know, you can designate who you want to have access to that phone number. So let's say I wanted to add another person to this line. Maybe I wanted to remove someone from that line. Maybe I only wanted 2 people and 2 other people to have different lines, right? You have so much flexibility. So now you're gonna come in and log into your account, and this is what the dashboard looks like. And so the beauty of this platform, it's a cloud-based phone service where you're able to, this is gonna, take me through a tour, show me how things work, but latest things that have just been introduced. Like for example, latest for our new product update section. They have tutorials for everything. They show you how to work it, but I'm not here to show you the new features. I'm simply here to show you the dashboard. So the beauty is I can see everything that's going on in my business in way of how many phone calls inbound, what's live, text messaging, etc. If I want to build out text message campaigns, or I want to send bulk SMS campaigns, I could do that within this platform. And to get started, $25 a seat for the first level, and then $50 a seat for the second. Now you will have to spend money on text and calling credits like any other platform for the most part. But when I started out, I believe my plan was probably somewhere around $75, maybe $100 per month. Don't quote me on that. But this platform has allowed me to really scale my business. So I started with 1 user, which was myself, then 2. We now have, if I take you to the back screen, you can see we have a team of 20, right? And I can see what's going on with them at any given moment. And you have a dashboard for it. I could see my call logs, who's phoned us. I could see our messaging logs. I could see what text messages are coming in and out of the platform. And the beauty of this platform is it integrates into Active Campaign, so it can communicate and talk to my CRM. So don't waste your time on a Google Voice. Don't waste your time on Ring Central. Don't waste your time on, I'm telling you, because I've been there. And when I got to a certain point, I needed something that was better. So this was very affordable to start. But when I was at the position where I was able to scale, this platform really just opened it up. And a few key features that I actually used, you could see there's a live call right now. If I were to click on the monitor button, I could actually listen. I'm listening to my rep right now communicate with this guy. They can't hear me, they can't see me, but I can listen in. But the beauty is, I could, one, join the call if I felt I needed to, or I can whisper to my agent. So let's say there's maybe something my agent is not listening to, or she's not hearing, or she's not answering a question that I believe she needs, I could whisper to her. So the person she's speaking to can't hear me, but she can. So I could say, simply explain this, or simply say that, and it allows me that ability. But if I want to take over, I could jump on that call. So I could whisper to her and say, Saksi, I'm going to jump in on this call, introduce me, okay? So now I come on the call, and now Saksi's gonna give me a soft introduction, and now I'm able to take over. So that's just one piece of it, but the reporting, to gauge activity, see what your reps are doing, by far the best system. And I don't work for them, right? I just use it in my business. So how I was able to scale was by, and you'll always hear me say this, right? You need apps that play nice. The nicer they play, the more successful you could be. You guys be great.